More than 50 million adults in the United States are suffering from arthritis. For many of them, trying to manage pain and inflammation is a daily battle. While medication might ease the pain, it doesn't address the real problem. Getting rid of the inflammatory foods in your diet can help you reduce inflammation and manage arthritis pain naturally. Fried and processed foods. A study published in the 2009 Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism found that fried foods contain toxins called advanced glycation end products. These products increase oxidation in the body's cells and increase inflammation levels. Cutting out fried and processed foods can greatly reduce your levels of inflammation. Sugar. Research has shown that processed sugar triggers the release of inflammatory messengers, known as cytokines. Sugar can hide under many different names on ingredient labels, including fructose or sucrose. Skip the pastries, candy bars, sodas, and processed fruit juices. Alcohol. Both alcohol and tobacco use has been linked to the development of certain types of arthritis. Drinking alcohol places a burden on the liver. Excessive drinking weakens liver function and disrupts other organ interactions, which can lead to inflammation. Table salt. Too much salt upsets the balance of water in the body. It causes water retention, which increases the pressure on your blood vessels. The added pressure can aggravate arthritis, causing pain and inflammation. Reducing the amount of sodium in your diet can help balance your electrolyte levels and reduce inflammation. Refined carbohydrates. Products made with white flour, such as bread, crackers, white rice, or white potatoes are refined carbohydrates. These processed carbohydrates are high in the glycemic index. They have a habit of triggering inflammation. Don't forget to watch out for cereals made with white flour.